forsake all and follow me, and I will give you all that you need. When you forsake all the things of this world, I will repay you 100-fold. Forsake all and follow me. God requires you to forsake all and follow him. Is that too much for us to do for him? Look at Abraham, he forsook all that he had and separated himself from all unbelief, and he received the promise. So you must believe in God, and you shall receive. He said, forsake all and follow me, and I will give you all that you need. When you forsake all the things of this world, I will repay you 100-fold. Forsake all and follow me. God requires you to forsake all and follow him. Is that too much for us to do for him? Look at Noah, he forsook all that people said and did exactly what God asked him to do, and his family was saved. So you must have faith in God, and you shall be saved. He said, forsake all and follow me, and I will give you all that you need. When you forsake all the things of this world, I will repay you 100-fold. He said, forsake all and follow me, and I will give you all that you need. When you forsake all the things of this world, I will repay you 100-fold. Forsake all and follow me. Follow me. Forsake